Well, last night, UTC hosted a debate between the candidates for Hamilton County District Attorney. The debate featured all three candidates and covered topics such as racial disparities in the criminal justice system and mental health courts. News 12's Chris Guin joins us live in the studio with a recap of that debate.
Thanks, Andrew. The house lights came down in UTC's auditorium last night as Neal-Pinkston, Coty-Wamp, and John Brooks went head-to-head, explaining their platforms. The debate was civil, but the moderator made sure to question all three candidates about their perceived weaknesses. Last night, all three candidates for Hamilton County District Attorney made their case for election before a crowd of college students, attorneys, and members of the public.
I have been an attorney for a long, long time.
I would like to hit the refresh button.
And we have done some very good things for this community.
The debate was held at UTC, and students gathered their opinions on the race. Democrat John Brooks was challenged on his experience with criminal cases.
I've seen every kind of case. I've had cases to the U.S. Supreme Court and the state Supreme Court.
Incumbent Neal-Pinkston was questioned on his wife's employment at the DA's office.
I structured the office flow of the organization around the sheriff's office, in particular in this county, where Sheriff Hammond employs several relatives.
And Republican challenger Coty-Wamp responded to questions around her limited experience.
I do not adhere to the philosophy that the person that's been doing the job the longest is the best person for the job.
Brooks brought Wamp's experience into question once again after the debate.
I think that Mr. Pinkston is an excellent trial attorney. Ms. Wamp isn't.
Wamp responded to this criticism by explaining her trial experience.
I've tried 3 homicides as a prosecutor, 1 homicide as a defense attorney. I've tried a handful of other major felonies, 2 aggravated robberies, a rape of a child. My record with law enforcement speaks for itself.
The Republican primary is on May 3rd.
For Mr. Brooks.
After the debate, reporters questioned incumbent Neal-Pinkston further on the comptroller's report, which found that he had violated a state nepotism policy. He said that he is engaged in ongoing communication with the state comptroller's office, but that correspondence is, quote, essentially confidential in nature. Live in the studio, Chris Guin, News 12 Now.